Hey guys, it's Poochie, and by request, I am doing a Poshmark bootcamp course to teach you how to sell items and make money on Poshmark. If you don't know anything about Poshmark, it started out for women's clothing. Now there is men's clothing. People sell everything from literally home goods, home decor. I've seen cell phone covers, jewelry, shoes, all sorts of stuff on Poshmark. The great thing about Poshmark is there are no listing fees. It's a very social network. So, as with all of my bootcamp courses, this one is available in my private pack Facebook group. In case you don't know, my private pack Facebook group is a subscription group. It's $9.99 a month. And in that group, I give you flip alerts, hot selling items on Amazon and eBay. You have access to all my courses, including eBay manual dropshipping course, the Amazon dropshipping course, now the Poshmark course. Only members of my private pack have access to my courses. Also, there's a wholesale drop shipping website that we work with. It's wholesale and drop shipping, and you get up to 20% cash back on your purchases if you are a member of the private pack. So if you want to learn about the private pack, make sure you join my Facebook group. The link is below. So let's get busy. Also, subscribe to my channel. The one Facebook group is actually absolutely free, so make sure you join that because we have a lot of people helping other people to learn how to sell online and make more money and get better at it. Okay. Also, if you have problems, you definitely want to be in that group because there's a lot of people who are willing to help you for nothing. We like to help each other. It's kind of like family in there. So, Poshmark. Continue with Google. Okay? So, I have already signed up. Now, come on. Bah. Okay. So, I'll show you where I was. All right? So, this is when you continue with Google, you might have to sign up for an account. You might have to sign into your Google or your Gmail account. Okay. If you don't have one of those, then go ahead and just sign up with your email for an account. You can also sign up with Facebook for an account. So here's the Poshmark kind of dashboard page here, right? So what I usually do, this is a little unfamiliar for me because I usually do it on my phone. Okay, so the brands, you pick 3 brands when you first sign up that you like. So I picked just 3 standard brands. Okay, so people that I follow, shop new listings. I don't know that I follow these people, but okay. If you go down here, you're going to see stuff and you're going to be able to share it. You're going to be able to, here we go, we're going to share this to my followers. Fashion is better when shared, so get it. So yeah, let's share that. Okay, so we successfully shared that item. That means that everyone who follows us on Poshmark now will see that item. And if there's anyone interested in buying that item, they may not have seen it unless I had shared it. Okay, so Poshmark is a very social platform. You will get, let's see. Okay, you will get followers, you will get notes like this from people when you first sign up. What I'm going to teach you how to do is do Poshmark the most effectively. Okay, and make money because there are tricks to it just like everything else. There are brands to stay away from, there are brands to get, there are things to do and not do. So I'm going to teach you everything about Poshmark. Okay, well, everything that I know about Poshmark. So again, you have to be a member of the private pack. The private pack is $9.99 a month, pays for itself definitely. You also have to pay $9.99 for the boot camp course. So that's about it. If you want to join, make sure that you join my Poochie's Pack Facebook group, and then there are instructions in there on how to join the private pack and then how to join the boot camp course. Some other boot camp courses that I do on a regular basis: eBay manual drop shipping, also Amazon drop shipping. I'm not sure if I mentioned that already. And also I'm thinking about doing Mercari soon and VA training soon, because I've gotten a lot of requests for those, and also maybe Shopify. So lots of boot camp courses on the way. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe, like the video if it helped you, share it if you think it would help other people, and join the Facebook group. Let's get busy on Poshmark.